Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Brian in Kentucky on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Brian, got it all ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, ERS 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade. You've got the upgraded caps, wideband transmit and receive, clarifier mod, you name it, it's got it. Let's just get right to it. Gonna start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. We'll roll it all the way up, 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 250 bird average, 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 600 watts PEP. Just roll it all the way down. Hello. So we're still swinging 600 watts from a 25 watt carrier. Brian, that's all you'll ever need in a big truck, man. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to get it right out to you. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.